Hello everyone, welcome back to MADRAS VL Vimala channel. This channel is all about listening and learning the language and getting motivated. I hope you are all happy there. In the previous video, we learned everyday usages about food and complimenting for the same. I hope you would have used those expressions well in your everyday life. In this video, we are going to learn past tense and 12 money related verbs. Now, let's see what is past tense. It is a tense expressing an action that happened in the past or a state that previously existed. It is also called as a narrative tense as it is widely used for narrating past incidents. Example, the story is told in the past tense. It is the most important as well as the easiest tense form to be used. It is most important because we very often use the language to tell others what has happened. To do so, we will be using past tense only. All the four forms of the past tense are of the same kind. And it is easy to use because of its formula. The formula is subject plus past tense verb plus object. No modification is required for any subject. Example, I wrote a story. We wrote a story. You wrote a story. You all wrote a story. He or she or it wrote a story. They wrote a story. Isn't this tense very easy to use? Let's see 12 money related verbs, their three forms and the past tense usage of them in the sentences. The first word is discount and the three forms of it are discount, discounted, discounted, and the meaning of it is to consider something not important. Example, we may discount that suggestion as it is not workable. When we use the same word discount as noun, the meaning is different. The meaning is a reduction in the regular price or a service. As it is a festival time, you will be keep hearing this word very often. An example for this is booksellers offer a 10% discount on books for students. The next word is borrow. The three forms of it are borrow, borrowed, borrowed. The meaning of it is borrowing money means getting money from a person or bank with an intention of returning it. An example for this is Shakti borrowed 1 lakh rupees from moneylender for a 3% of interest. And the third word is earn. The three forms of it are earn, earned, earned. The meaning of it is earning or making money means getting money by working. An example for this is Subhadra earned her money through her hard work. The fourth word is inherit and the three forms of it are inherit, inherited, inherited. Meaning of it is receive something from someone after his or her death or by genetic transmission or from a predecessor. An example for this is she inherited money from her grandmother. Generally, we inherit properties or bank balance from our forefathers. That is called as inheriting. The fifth word is invest. The three forms of it are invest, invested, invested. The meaning of it is buy shares in the bank, business, property, etc. with an intention of getting a profit. An example for this is Sarath invested all his earned money in shares. Sixth word is spend. The three forms of it are spend, spent, spent. Meaning of it is give money while buying things. An example for this is Sunaina spent a huge amount of money on buying Diwali dresses. The seventh word is lend. The three forms of it are lend, lent, lent. The meaning of it is give money to someone with an intention of getting it back. An example for this is Shylock lent his money to Antonio with an intention of getting more money in return. The eighth word is pay. The three forms of it are pay, paid, paid. The meaning of it is give money for goods or services. An example for this is I paid rupees 20,000 to buy this new refrigerator. The ninth word is save. The three forms of it are save, saved, saved. The meaning of this is keep money for future needs. An example for this is I saved rupees 3 crore to buy a house. The 10th word is owe. The three forms of it are owe, owed, owed. And the meaning of it is someone is supposed to pay to someone else or return money to someone. An example for this is Sandra owed money to the bank for the loan she had taken 6 months ago. The 11th word is lose. The three forms of it are lose, lost, lost. And the meaning of it is misplacing money or losing money in a bet or in a gambling. An example for this is I lost a lot of money in the cricket betting. The last word and the 12th word is win. And the three forms of it are win, won, won. And the meaning of it is making money through winning a competition, a lottery, or by betting or in gambling. An example for this is Shalini won rupees 25,000 as cash award in the painting competition. To check our understanding on what we have learned, let's have self-check questions. Please post your answers in the comment box. We will be eager to see your answers. Let's see the questions. Mark the sentences with the proper usage of a past tense as correct and the rest as incorrect. The first statement is he has owed them 3 competitions prize money. Second statement is they won cash award in the competition. The third statement is Sriniti lost her money in her business. Fourth statement is Akash inherited his forefathers' bank balance. Fifth one is we saved enough money for buying a laptop. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Like, share, comment the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching this video till the end of it. Until we meet in the next video, take care.